Okay, so today, as my first video, I am going to open a ton of packs that I won through a tournament due to my friend. And so first I'm gonna buy a pack. I'm worried Roaring Skies is gonna go soon, and I don't have a Shaman yet, so I'm gonna buy a Roaring Skies. Alright, let's go to my collection and show you what I have. So I have 12 Sun and Moon, 1 Ancient Origins, 1 Breakpoint, 1 Evolutions, 1 Roaring Sky, 2 Roaring Skies because I just bought one, and 2 Steam Siege. Let's start with the Steam Siege. Out of this, I don't really know what I want. Caden, be quiet. Let's see. Toxic Croak, didn't want that. Open another. Steel Experiment, Yon Mega. He is pretty good. I didn't really want him, but I could make a Yon Mega deck. Alright, let's do Evolutions next. Okay, Evolutions. Let's just get a full art Mega. I don't care. Alright. Or a Machamp Break. That would be nice. Silver Spirit Knight. Arcanine. Oh, I don't want you. I've got so many packs. I hope I get it. 1 EX. One time. Oh, double rare. Shiny rare. Raichu. I don't want him. What's this? Pidgeot EX. Pull 1 EX. Boom. Pidgeot. Alright. Nice. That's 1 EX. Let's do Breakpoint.
You have a Mega Pidgeot.
I'd like...
Okay.
Alright, let's open this up. I have every single one of these cards. Wow, I did not need that. Okay, Ancient Origins. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I would really like a Mega Tyranitar. Don't have a lot of these cards. What am I gonna get? Golurk. Oh, I don't want you. I think I already have. No, I don't have you. Alright. Let's do 1 Ring Skies. Maybe 2. Alright, go Shaman, go Shaman, go Shaman, go Shaman. Let's get a Shaman. Shaman. Winona. Wow, I have everything but a Togepi. Thunderous EX! Nice. I got another EX. Okay, didn't get a Shaman, but I got Thunderous. Ooh, double rare. Be a Shaman. Altaria, I've already got one. A different one. That's a Rusala. What's it gonna be? Articuno. Usafant? The Usafant with an ancient trait is not very good. So, Sun and Moon. Let's get a GX. Just any GX. I don't have any GXs. Water Energy. Wow. All I've got is that Scar. Ooh, an energy switch. Those can be good. Alolan Dugtrio. He looks so bad with hair. Ooh, double rare. Hypno. That's not a good Hypno. Double rare. Oranguru! Oranguru! Oh, I wanted him so badly. Who's that? Chesirna. You play this Pokemon from your hand to reveal one of your Pokemon during your turn. You may have your opponent reveal his or her hand, then discard a card from it. That can be good. De-evolution spray. A Rangaroo. Oh, nice. I might put that in a deck. That was an amazing card. Ooh, who's that? Trumbeak. Pip, Potion, Torcat. Okay. Hariyama. Golbat. Another energy switch. Shiny Rowlet. Growlithe. Alwyn Rattata. No energy. That is rare. No energy. Muck. He's good. Not great, but he's good. Good card to get. I have a Mega Mewtwo deck in the real world, and I would like a Muck. Big Masalda. Big Masalda. Oh, yeah. Big Masalda. GX! Lurantis GX! Lurantis Full Art! Lurantis GX! Oh my gosh! Full Art Lurantis GX. I am amazed. I can get so much for that. Or put that in a deck. Oh my gosh. Lurantis GX is incredible. Dartix. Lantern. Oh well, I'm still so fired up about that. Lurantis GX. Okay. 5. Did you see it? GX! Right? Wow. Did you see it? Oh, I've got 2 GXs. Oh, wow. Double rare. Ooh, Ribomi. Rotom Dex. Full Art Lily! Oh my gosh! Back to back full arts. Oh my gosh. 2 GX, 2 EX, a full art trainer. Wow. Rare candy, double rare. Butterfree. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! A Rotom Dex. Oh my gosh. 3 more. Wow, this has been so amazing. Lily. Okay. Did you see it? Oh, I don't even know what I could wish for now. 2 packs left. Cutie Fly. Pokeball. Herdire. Treasure Hunt. When you play this Pokemon from your hand to evolve one of your Pokemon during your turn, you may put an item card from your discard pile into your hand. That's not that great. Oh my word! Espeon Full Art GX. Oh my word. Just, oh my word. Last pack. More Rotom Dex. Last one. Incineroar. Oh well. That was amazing. Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay. Aloe and Dugtrio. What? Just muck. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Let's look at these GX. Lurantis. 4 trade. Full Art Espeon. Deduciad. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. Wow. 3 GXs in 12 packs. Lily. Oh, that's not how you spell Lily. Gosh. Oh well. Oh gosh. Rattata, that's nice. Get that out of that Roaring Skies pack. Just such amazing pools. Just 2 or 3 full art trainers. Here, let's do this. How does it show them? Let's just look at these new cards. One Yanmega. White Kyrian was not in this. Vaporeon, Desirna, Trumbeak, Toxicroak, from the Steam Siege, Togepi, Thundurus. That was a good pull. Too bad he's locked. Oh man. Okay. So do Skarmory, Rowlet, Ryombi, Raichu, Porygon 2, Ponyta, Pikachu, Pidgeot EX, Oranguru. I think that's how you say it. Narini, Magmar, Lucario, got that a long time ago. Incineroar, Hypno, Herdier, Fomantis, Deduciad, Dartix, let's just look through these a bit quicker. Trainer, Filters, New, Fly, Big Masalda, Energy Switch, Lily. Oh, here we go. Full art Lily. Wow, just Rotom Dex. Whoa, another Rotom Dex. Whoa, full art secret rare Rotom Dex. Amazing. Amazing. Just amazing pulls. I think most of all, I am most excited about Lurantis GX. Just to test this, I'm going to go to this and have just got full art I don't know how to spell it. Let's see. Pokemon GX filters, new, reset, apply. Deduciad, Espeon, and Lurantis. I might even keep that. That's an amazing card. Okay. Luran. Lurantis. IS. GX. Alright. Yeah, but I don't need to put that in there. Let's see how many PMs I get. Who are you? None. No PMs. Oh well. Okay, I guess this concludes my video.